guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I was thinking to myself, hey, what should I do for content, or what should I do for my next video? And it occurred to me I should make top 5 mistakes new traders make. So that's what I'm doing today. And yeah, so before we start, this right here bothers me. I know it's dumb, but I don't know why Robinhood is doing this to me now. The window is not, good. I don't like this. There's so much space over here, and it looked way better. Don't know why they did that, but whatever. Right now, currently kicking myself because I sold Innova Pharmaceuticals when it was at $13, and for some reason, when I sell it and I make a video about it, it decides to double or almost triple in price. So yeah. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about 5 mistakes new traders make. So yeah, let's get started. First things first. Panic selling. Panic selling, it is so crucial. Right now, if I could have held this for a little bit longer, I could have won more money, instead of just selling it because I sold it. I was, dumb. But yeah, panic selling is a really big no-no. You should not panic sell unless the company is going bankrupt or getting delisted, which means that's not good news. You should probably sell that because there won't be a company anymore. But besides everything else, you should not panic sell. Like, it just dips 5%, you shouldn't sell because of that or whatever. Well, but panic selling can cost you a lot, as well as if you're a new trader and you're encouraged to make money, not lose. It hurts, right? Because you're starting this new experience, and it dips down like 20 cents. You sell it immediately. Well, you lost 20 cents, and then you're trying getting those 20 cents back. But if you lose 50% and you gain 50%, you're not getting that 50% back. You're getting 25% of the original 50, because it's not the original price, which is dumb, but it's simple to understand. But yeah, the second thing I believe new traders make is buying and holding. One of the most useless skills ever known to man. Just because you buy and you hold something wishing it goes up, it does not mean it's going to go up. You need a plan. You need some sort of feedback or strategy to go behind this. You can't just buy a stock because you want to. Well, you could, but it's dumb. For example, if I right now buy GameStop stock just because I like buying games like GameStop, it does not mean GameStop stock will go up. It's a dying thing. Everybody's buying their things digitally, so it doesn't make sense for me to buy it and just hold and wish. But if GameStop was about to do something that would encourage, the stock to go up, well, in that case, I would hold a short-term position. But you shouldn't just buy something and hold it and wishing till it goes up. It's a rookie mistake, and it will cost you a lot. For example, I'm holding IVR stock right now because it got beaten down so much, and right now it's at $3. And it's a good stock because it gives you dividends, and I'm planning to collect that dividend and sell it when it's at around $6 or higher. KPTI had their FDA approval right now, and their stock is gonna keep going up, and I'm planning to sell it around 25 or 30. We'll see. So you have to have some sort of plan or strategy behind buying anything. You can't go to war without a plan. You'll die. So yeah, the third mistake: reinvesting as soon as you earn profits. This is such a big thing that I used to do a lot, which cost me a lot. As soon as I got a big gain, like $50 or so, I would reinvest it immediately without doing any research whatsoever. I had no idea what I was doing, and it cost me my gains plus more. Which, as you can see, if I go to my all, you can see the giant beatdowns I had right here. As soon as I started, 352, I'm like, I'm doing pretty nice. Reinvest it, I'm down $90. And yeah, and so on. So you should not, immediately reinvest. You should keep the gains, then come up with a plan, and then execute that plan based on those results, Also, learning from your mistakes can, help you out a lot, like panic selling and so on. But yeah, reinvesting as soon as you gain profits, not so smart. You get caught up in the heat of the moment, you gain money, and you want to immediately make money. Because, if you keep the gains, the gains are not doing anything. They're just sitting there, but they're safe at least, instead of, reinvesting it immediately. But, so yeah. So number 4, getting advice from friends that know absolutely nothing. Why would you ask a zookeeper for car advice? He is not a mechanic. it's like the advice is pointless. There's no point. So when I go to school, my friends always want to try and help me out, but they have no idea what they're doing. For example, I had this kid walk up to me and say, "Hey, you're trading stocks, right?" And I'm like, "Yeah, what's up?" And he suggested that I should buy this because it sounds good and it looks good. No, the stock market does not care about your feelings. You should not buy something because you feel good about it. You know? Like, yikes, that's a big no. If he's not doing it, why should I listen for someone? That's like getting advice from a book saying how to become a millionaire, but the person who wrote it is not a millionaire. You know, like, why would I take advice from something that is not, doing well or not gonna give me anything in return? So, yeah. And number 5, I believe this is a big one, trading options. So, I started trading options early. And I got lucky with it because I did not have a plan, but I just got lucky and made a couple of bucks out of it. But, as soon as I got my loss, I lost big, like $90, and that's a lot because I'm managing a small account. It occurred to me, hey, I should not be doing this. I don't have the funds, and I'm probably going to blow up my account really quickly, and I don't want to do that. I had this limited amount of money, and I want to keep it. So I stopped trading options for a bit and tried coming up with a plan to execute that. And honestly, if you can't handle the ups and downs of normal stocks, you're not gonna handle options whatsoever. Sometimes as soon as you buy an option, your whole portfolio will go down like 20%. And that's the thing. It hurts because you're looking at something that says, hey, you're losing money. And your immediate response or thought is, hey, I gotta remove my money so I don't keep losing more. So yeah, you should be careful not to do options too early without understanding the ins and outs for stocks first. But the thing is about options that you can win big or you can lose big. It can go either way. So yeah, that's top 5 mistakes I did, and I believe that if you look at this video, it hopefully helps you out so you don't make the same mistakes. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, there's going to be an end card at the end, so you could, hit that subscribe button or, go to another video and see my other really bad videos. So yeah, see you in the next one.